My name is Ariella Hader, physical therapist, Pilates instructor, and Pilates studio owner of Pilates Sante. Today I wanted to just review the most basic fundamental exercise to create awareness between your pelvis and your spine, Lumbopelvic clock. In this exercise, I love to begin a session with to train the core safely and efficiently, particularly with clients that have low back pain. So we're going to start lying on your back, your knees bent, feet flat. And just allow your ribs to be heavy into the mat. I like to place my hands on the front of my hips here, my ASIS. And we're just going to start by imagining the front of your pelvis is like the face of a clock. My belly button is my 12 o'clock. My pubic bone is my 6 o'clock. And I'm gently just going to rock my pelvis toward my 12 o'clock or my belly button and feel the sensation of my back flattening into the mat. And then I'll reverse that and gently rock my pelvis toward the 6 o'clock, feeling my spine move away from the mat. And we'll do this just a couple of times with natural breath and just starting to create awareness of when I move my pelvis, I change my back position. And I can use this both as a mobilization of my back, but also just again, creating awareness of what is my spine movement? What is my pelvic movement today? And then after I've done a few of these between the 12 and the 6, I'd like to take it to the 3 and the 9, side to side here. And my hands can even gently assist this movement, pressing along, again, the front of my hip bone here. And just noticing, do I have more or less movement at my 9 or my 3, side to side? And then from here, I'm going to gently take this into more of a circular movement, moving around my clock. So I'll move toward my 12 o'clock, and then I'll roll to my 3, gently toward my 6, and gently toward my 9. And I'll do that one more time. My knees may move a little here, but I'd like the majority of this movement to be coming from my pelvis. And if your core muscles feel like they're activating a little bit, that's okay. But intentionally, what I'm trying to do is create awareness and mobility. I'm not trying to engage muscles per se. We'll do one more the opposite direction, just softening through the back of the sacrum. And then I come right to that middle ground again. Maybe I go toward 12 and 6 one more time and just find that sweet spot where I want to work my abdominals today, right? Maybe my pubic bone and my belly button are in about the same plane. And then I really check in with my rib cage and make sure that it's nice and soft and heavy into the mat so that I have this nice relationship between my rib cage and my pelvis. And now I'm ready to start neutral spine core stabilization exercises. If you liked this basic video, please consider hitting the bell icon and subscribing to future educational videos. Also down below, we've got the subscription in the bio of our social media ID. We'd love to hear from you. Comments down below. Thanks so much.